I'm John Miller. I'm with the sales department and also help oversee the running of the commercial pump division. My background is in sales and operations. I hired on here to help at the new business development in the sales department. Recently went over to help manage the commercial pump division. We work on large scale, more of the commercial pump type equipment that are capable of moving several thousand gallons of water a minute. We have a domestic that goes to the smaller systems for around the households. We work mainly on municipalities, farms, water companies, larger scale pumping equipment. I don't think people realize that the majority of the water that's being used in the valley and throughout Arizona now comes from a pumping system. Early 80s, my dad worked for a Salt River project, and a lot of the water was surface water. And the majority of the water is coming up out of the well system. So I don't think that people realize that in the desert, probably more water underground than you see above. Some of the common issues is probably lack of care, maintenance on systems. Systems run continuously. We have a lot of heat out here. It's just simple things that are maintaining it and making sure that everything's in the operating position. If you don't continually maintain it, then you'll run it to failure. And that's what a lot of times happens to these larger systems. They just get ran to failure. I would say call in Western Drilling. Come out and take a look and make sure we get on some kind of service maintenance program. Just have it checked out every once in a while. There's not a whole lot of maintenance that needs to be done with them, but the stuff that does, lubricants with oil, you got bearings that overheat, you just got buildup that you got to look at. Maintaining it and making sure that you're on top of stuff, helping it to get the longevity out of the life of the well. I've been on a well system for quite a while. One of the things that you can do is learn your system, how it's supposed to operate. If you can do a quick rehab and have the parts on stack, that's a good plus for you. Working with Western Drilling, I've known a lot of the co-workers here for 20, 30 plus years. So I enjoy being around them. Like the opportunity that we get out and we help people. We're able to get water going when it's most needed. Got great crews. I like that, very knowledgeable crews that are capable. And when I first started here, I was really nervous with one of the projects that I started. Response to me was, John, we got you. We'll take care of it and you can sleep at night. So that's kind of what I want to pass on to our customers. You know, you're able to sleep at night when we're out there working on stuff because we'll get it taken care of. When you flip the switch, the water's going to be there.